Section hook. What if one person could do the work of an entire team every single day without burning out, without extra pay, and without making mistakes? That sounds impossible, right? Wrong. Because in 2025, that one person is you, armed with these 10 AI tools. Businesses are already cutting entire departments. Freelancers are 10xing their income. And the people who know about these tools, they have an unfair advantage over everyone else. Stay until the end, because tool number 7 alone could save you over 15 hours every single week. Section. Problem. Here is the brutal truth. The average professional wastes nearly 60% of their workday on repetitive tasks: writing emails, building presentations, editing content, doing research, managing projects. 60%. That is more than half of every working hour gone to tasks that, honestly, a machine can do better and faster than any human ever could. And while most people are still grinding through that hamster wheel, a small group of early adopters is using AI to completely transform how they work. They are not working harder. They are working smarter, with tools that think, create, automate, and execute in seconds. The gap between those people and everyone else is growing wider every single month. So the question is not whether AI will change your workflow. It already has. The real question is whether you are going to use it or get left behind by it. Here are the 10 tools that are making that gap real right now. Section. Main content. Tool number 1, Notion AI. Notion has always been a powerful workspace, but with AI built directly in, it becomes something else entirely. It summarizes meeting notes, auto-generates project plans, writes first drafts, and even answers questions about your own documents. It is like having a brilliant assistant living inside your second brain. Tool number 2, Runway ML. Video editing used to take hours. Runway changes that completely. It can remove backgrounds, generate B-roll footage from text prompts, edit clips with AI precision, and create cinematic visuals that used to require a full production studio. Creators are using this right now to produce viral content in minutes. Tool number 3, Perplexity AI. Forget spending hours doing research. Perplexity is an AI-powered search engine that actually cites its sources, understands complex questions, and gives you real-time synthesized answers. It is like having a research assistant with access to the entire internet, working for you in real time. Tool number 4, Gamma app. Building presentations used to be painful. Gamma generates stunning, fully designed slide decks from a single text prompt in under 30 seconds. Just describe what you need, hit generate, and walk into that meeting looking like you spent days preparing. Clients cannot tell the difference. Tool number 5, ElevenLabs. Voice cloning and AI narration have hit a level that is genuinely jaw-dropping. ElevenLabs produces ultra-realistic voiceovers in dozens of languages and styles. Podcasters, video creators, and marketers are using this to produce professional audio without ever touching a microphone. Tool number 6, Make, formerly known as Integromat. This is the automation backbone that connects all your other tools together. Make lets you build complex automated workflows with zero code, connecting apps, triggering actions, and moving data between platforms automatically. Set it up once and let it run forever. Tool number 7, Kling AI. This one is a game changer. Kling generates hyper-realistic AI video from text prompts and images. We are talking cinematic quality footage that looks like it was shot with a real camera and real actors. Marketers and content creators are using it to produce ads, promos, and social clips at a fraction of traditional production cost. Tool number 8, Cursor AI. If you write any code at all, or wish you could, Cursor is the tool that changes everything. It is an AI-powered code editor that writes, explains, and debugs code in real time based on plain English instructions. Non-developers are building full applications with it. Developers are shipping in half the time. Tool number 9, Durable AI. Building a professional website used to take days, design skills, and serious budget. Durable generates a complete live business website in about 30 seconds. It writes the copy, designs the layout, and even includes a built-in AI assistant to help convert visitors into customers. Tool number 10, Claude 3.5 by Anthropic. If there is one AI assistant that rivals and in many cases outperforms everything else for long-form writing, complex reasoning, and nuanced analysis, it is Claude. It handles massive documents, writes with a human-like tone, and reasons through complicated problems with remarkable accuracy. Power users are calling it the most reliable AI brain available today. Section: Mistakes to avoid. Now, before going all in on every single one of these tools, there are some critical mistakes to avoid. First, do not try to use all 10 tools at once. That is a recipe for overwhelm and zero results. Pick 2 or 3 that align directly with your biggest time drains and master those first. Second, do not skip the learning curve. Every tool has a sweet spot. The people getting the most out of AI are the ones who invest 30 minutes exploring features, not just using the default settings. Third, never publish raw AI output without reviewing it. These tools are incredibly powerful, but they are not perfect. Always add your own judgment, fact-check critical information, and customize the output to match your voice and standards. And fourth, do not wait for the perfect moment to start. Every week you delay is a week your competition gets further ahead. Start today. Start small and build from there. Section: CTA. The AI revolution is not coming. It is already here, and these 10 tools are proof. The people winning in 2025 are not the ones working the longest hours. They are the ones working with the smartest tools. Now it is your turn. Drop a comment below and tell which tool from this list you are trying first. That creates real accountability and would love to see what everyone is building. If this video gave even one useful insight, smash that subscribe button because new AI tools, breakdowns, and automation strategies are dropping every single week. Do not miss what comes next.